Can you handle innovation? Non-standard problems in manufacturing require expertise that demands you know not just how to run the machines or even how to set up lines, but also how and why they work the way they do. Frain supports your innovation in several ways. First, we think differently. Frain helps you see and do things differently. Our experience with so many clients lets us see the many ways projects have been tackled, so we can combine best practices to get your new idea into motion. Second, we move fast. In innovative products, it's not whether the unexpected will happen, it's when. The best way to deal with the unexpected? Try and fail fast so you can still hit the shelves on time. Third, we anticipate problems, or even better, reduce the unexpected with reliable experts who can help solve unforeseen problems before they happen. Finally, we get you started with flexible financing so you keep more capital up front. That means you can try more things, test your product without the commitment. Pretty sweet in an industry with a 76% failure rate. So if your job requires innovation in product or packaging, Frain can find a way to make your idea work with machines that already exist and can help you make that product a reality.